before I start this video, I want to introduce you to Internet Playground, where you get many courses for you to learn at just $8. And there is also much information to know if you're really qualified to join this exclusive community. Guys, I'm very excited to show you how you can generate, tens of thousands of traffic by simply building calculators and tools using BoltNew. You would be pretty amazed how quality the code is, how quality the BoltNew produces. Take a look at this tool, which I have written using this BoltNew. I think it's better than Claude AI and better than Claude ChatGPT and Google Gemini, whichever AI bots which try to write code. And you can see right here, it even added the sliders. You can see it's a very good and it's so good that it will generate, this whole code is generated within less than 30 seconds, guys. So I want to show you how you can also similarly build something like this and generate huge traffic, maybe to your niche site, and whatever the niche you have, and related to your niche you can build tools. Okay, now if I go to free keyword generator and I can simply search here calculators and see what's the traffic it's coming. Okay, you can also select your niche, type in your niche and look for any tools which you can create from your niche. Okay, so example, home loan calculators and TA calculators, online car loan calculators, mortgage calculator. So I took a loan calculator, and what I've done is I know it's a traffic is very high because many people they always need loan, they want to calculate the interest. So what I did was I gone to the Bolt.new, which is a free. I mean, you can use up to I think 25,000 credits per day. So I have just given a prompt. Okay, so this is the prompt which I used earlier. So let me zoom in case if you don't, in case if you're not seeing this, unable to see this. So this is the prompt. So take a look at this. I have a WordPress account and my website is based on calculators. So I specifically defined what my WordPress is. Okay, now I want to code which I can input into my WordPress blog page. So I just said as a custom HTML. Okay, hey, I have a WordPress. Hey, I have a WordPress account, and I can input whatever code as a custom HTML. So I'm specifically telling that to write in a HTML. Okay, which contains sliders, and I'm specifying the tool. Next, I'm specifying the tool. I want to create an interactive loan calculator which contains sliders and all the options which are required to calculate. Now give me the final code so that I can copy paste into my WordPress custom HTML, into my WordPress as a custom HTML. Now I'm telling it to produce the final output entirely and give me in a HTML format so I can copy paste. I don't have to do anything. Okay, now it has it has gone to limited $1,000 to $1 million and interest rate 0.1 to 30%, which is max, and 1 to 30 years. Now if you want, you can also give you can change the numbers. Okay, you can tell it to set the loan term slider to 1 to 50 years or 100 years. Nobody chooses to 100 years, but yeah, interest rate 0.1 to 50%. You can change the numbers are arbitrary. Okay, now it went ahead and given the code in full pure HTML. Now what I've done is I just copied this entire thing, not the package log.json. I don't need it. I copied this entire thing and go to the, where is this? Yeah, so I went to the blog page. You can also go with a blog just page. I pasted right here. I pasted in a blog post. Now you can simply type in slash and go to the custom HTML, and it will prompt you to enter the HTML, and you can simply paste whatever you copied from the Bolt.new. And if I click on preview, and if I take it to the even more preview page, so let me just so let it load. So I took it to the preview page, and you can see right here, change these numbers, and you can see the way it is showing. It is interactive. It's beautiful. I never seen this quality of code written by ChatGPT or Claude. Guys, this is mind-blowing, the amount of traffic you can get. If I simply search in calculators, there are many websites specifically focused on calculator. You can see right here calculator.net, and if I click on calculator.net, you can see all these tools, right? You can literally replicate this website. Okay, you don't even need to perform some kind of magic. All the things will be done by AI. Now if I click on one of these calculators, they have written a blog post. Okay, now how are you gonna write blog post? Now I want to introduce you Journalist AI, which I've been using to write SEO AI articles with the max humanized content. Now what you can do is you can simply go to the dashboard and you can click on generate SEO article, and you can give the simple focus keyword, which is a loan calculator, and also title, what is a loan calculator. And you will also have the options to select the language and target the country. I'm gonna let it be United States because that's where I want to focus on. And if you click on show advanced option, it will ask you to go creativity or original, and far left, which is a correct and factual. Now for creating a tool, I doesn't need to tweak any of this. I will let it be default, and you'll also have the options to internal link, external link, and many options that you can explore, which is provided by this Journalist AI and no other AI editors. Okay, you even have AI SEO editor, which I'm going to show you. Click on generate article and it will be done in less than a minute. All right, we have successfully generated AI SEO article. Now we want to try to go to the AI editor and show you what are the different options you have. So when you click on any one of these, it will prompt you some more options right here, and you can make longer, make shorter, rewrite, simplify. Now to do this, you want to edit with AI. Now I can simply click on edit with AI. It will take me to edit page. Now what I can do is I can simply select the whole thing and click on rewrite, and click on rewrite or make it longer, make it shorter. Okay, now it will suggest you the rewritten version, and you can simply click on accept or discard, or you need to make any changes, you can click on accept and start making changes right here. Now this is a wonderful tool, guys. Now this is a by far best thing I've seen in AI SEO editors, and this is one of the features which I recommend many people to use when it comes to humanizing AI content. Now this wouldn't be 100% humanized. Again, the influence of AI is going to be reduced using this tool. Now with that being said, check out, I'll leave the link to Journalist AI in the description, and I also want you to check out my internet playground, which is exclusive, and it will be in the description. Catch you on the next one. Comment, like, subscribe. Bye.